Hi boys and girls, this is your math instruction for Fun Friday, November 20th. And we have been talking all week about related facts and how we can use addition to solve subtraction problems and things like that. In fact, families, today we have two targets. Our first one is I can show related facts. And I just want to show you this math mountain and this fact family, okay? So I have a fact family. Remember, our total is always at the top with the two parts down below. So we know that 5 is our total and 3 and 2 are our parts. Remember that we can make 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems with any fact family that is true. So let's make 2 addition problems. I know that I can go this way with an addition problem and backwards. So my first one would be 3, just as a review, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then I can flip-flop that. Remember we talked about the commutative property. I went this way. Now I can go back this way because it doesn't matter when I'm adding the order. 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right. Now, boy, I've got good handwriting. I hope yours is better. Now, when I'm doing 2 subtraction problems, I always start with the total when I'm subtracting, always, because I have to go down to subtract, right? So I'm going to start with the total on both of these 2 subtraction problems. They need to start with the total. Let's go down this way first, and then we'll go down this way second. 5 subtract 3 equals 2. And 5 subtract 2, we're coming this way, equals 3. Okay? Those are related facts. They are all part of this fact family up here. Okay? I just want to remind you that that's the way those work. I'm going to do that neater. Okay? That's how that works. I can make 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems with related facts. We always start our subtraction problems with the total amount or the whole up here every time. Okay? All right, just a quick review on that. I hope that that's made sense to you and that you worked hard on that this week. Our second target is I can show what I know about math on iReady. And so you are going to go to iReady Math and you're going to spend 10 or 15 minutes working on your iReady Math and paying really close attention to what you're learning so that you can show what you know and you can move forward on that. Okay? So do that. Down in Science and Social Studies today, you have this in your packet. This is our Scholastic News, which is so cool. All right, so I want you to pull this out, and I want you to be reading this. This is called a viol, and you are going to read and learn about this. This is nonfiction, so read about the viol in the snow. All right, I want you to be able to read what happens when winter comes. And then inside, you are going to find out how this little animal, this little rodent, is cozy under the snow. And in a lot of our nonfiction, many times in nonfiction, we find this kind of feature where we have a picture or a diagram and then we have captions and labels, okay? So entrance, exit, baby room, food room, and bathroom, okay? So you want to make sure you pay close attention to that, all right? Read and learn by studying your nonfiction. Now, when we read nonfiction, we slow down. Remember, we've talked about that. We don't speed up and get faster. It doesn't matter how fast you read when you're reading nonfiction. You want to slow down and think about what you're reading when you're reading it. On the back of this, there's a little quiz. Another diagram with captions and labels. So I want you to be able to look at the diagram of a viol and then answer the questions. And here are the questions. What do viols use to dig a tunnel? I bet you've read about that in this other. What helps the viols feel their way through the dark tunnels? Viols stamp their back feet when blank. Okay? And bubble in the correct answers. What body parts do viols use to keep safe in the winter? You can name more than one and write those down. Okay, this is so cool. It's your own magazine. It's for you to keep. Would you please take some time and look at that and then share something with your family that you might know, that you have learned. You can also go up here to this website on Scholastic and you can look up information about that as well. Okay, All right, have a great, great day. I appreciate you. Good work this week. Make sure you take time to read and be happy. Write something too, that would be great. Thanks. Bye.